This laptop offers an excellent Full HD IPS screen, good build quality, solid keyboard and trackpad, great performance along with plenty of upgrade options, and you also get a pretty decent battery life. Let's first talk about what I like in this laptop. While you are not getting an all metal construction, this laptop feels very solid in hands. And this is largely because the top half of this laptop is built using an aluminum frame. This keeps the weight of the laptop down and gives it a sleek modern look. While most budget laptops sport a cheap plastic logo on their top lid, Acer Aspire 5 has a metallic logo, giving it a more premium feel. This laptop has a tapered shell, allowing Acer to pack plenty of ports while still keeping the laptop body relatively thin. Now, budget laptops, they usually tend to have crappy hinge, but in my last 1 year of using Acer Aspire 5, I've had no issues with the hinge on this laptop. I love the fact that this hinge allows tilting the screen all the way back past 180 degrees. This offers more flexibility when using the laptop in your couch or your bed. Opening the lid reveals a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen with thin bezels. This screen offers pleasing colors and it offers about 250 nits of brightness, which I think is plenty for indoor use. Now I really like this screen. It punches way above its weight in my opinion. Pictures and videos, they look bright and colorful, and text looks sharp and crisp. Thanks to the anti-reflective matte coating on this screen, there are minimal reflections and the glare from ambient lighting is cut down significantly. The silver-colored chassis houses a full-size backlit-enabled keyboard. It comes with a 10-key numeric keypad, which is great for spreadsheet warriors. The keys offer decent travel distance and they offer a good activation force, so this results in a very pleasing typing experience. Acer Aspire 5 also sports a large touchpad, which makes using multi-finger gestures like pinch to zoom very easy.